Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Chris Time, and today we're going to be installing some fender flares on the Honda Civic Type R. Let's go. So as y'all know, the Type R has like a missing fender flare right there. In my opinion, it looks incomplete, and I get it. The engineers at Honda designed it for a reason, and that reason is for aerodynamics. So basically, air is supposed to go through here, brush against this fender flare up here, and then guides it to the wing up there for maximum aerodynamics. But you know, I don't track this car, and you know, I don't really care about aerodynamics. I just care about the looks for now. And for these fender flares, I made them so that I can take them off whenever I like, because it's just stuck on by 3M tape. So that's why in this video we're going to be installing the fender flare. I actually bought this fender flare off of Facebook for I think it's like $100, so I got a pretty good deal. All I had to do was just paint match it to this car. So I went ahead and bought the paint online, and yeah, we'll see how it looks on the car. But first, I want to thank our sponsor today, which is Viva Power. They sent me like a pressure washer attachment, which you just clean the floors with, which made it super easy for me to clean my garage floor. This is a before shot of the garage floor before cleaning. And I'm also with my helper, Aubrey Jamie. Hi. Hello. She's an NPC. Okay, let's get started. And this is the end result. We did 2 passes with the chemicals and stuff. We scrubbed the crap out of these floors, and most of the stuff is gone. But like, since it's so embedded inside the concrete, that we weren't able to take it off. But it's like a night and day difference, because if we look over here, guys, this was the old garage floor color before we did all that cleaning and stuff, and then this is the after. So it's literally a night and day difference, especially over here where I used to have all kinds of oil marks and stuff from the exhaust, and the majority of it is now gone. So really happy with the end result. And then for those of you who are wondering, I'm using the Greenworks 2000 PSI power washer. We also use this tool right here, so that also helped a lot with cleaning, because I think this is an 8-inch, I'm not sure, but yeah, about that wide, so it helped a lot with washing the floor. And then the chemical that we use is driveway and concrete pressure wash. So yeah, ZEP. We got like a 4-pack, I think, off Amazon, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, guys, if you want this product, it's gonna be linked down below in my description. I should have done multiple passes, but I got lazy. I only did 2 passes, but like, you can literally see the difference, the garage floor before and after. So highly recommend this product, guys. Go check them out. Link down below in the description. Anyways, back to the video. All right, so this is what it looks like, and it's just plain white. Now, I got this off Facebook Marketplace, and then since he said that these weren't painted, I went ahead and bought some paint myself. So I got the primer, touch-up paint, and then a clear coat. And then this is supposed to be color matched with the car. It's see right there, 2021 Honda Boost Blue Pearl. So hopefully the colors match that car. So that's basically what it's gonna look like on the car. I know this is for like aerodynamics and stuff with this, but I always thought it just looked kind of weird without it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be putting this on. So here's a look of my ghetto setup. It's been 24 hours since I hung these and it hasn't fallen, so that's good. I've already wiped it with alcohol wipes just so that I can get all the stuff, all the dirty stuff that's on it. So it's completely clean right now. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna hit it with a spray can, one layer at a time. I'm gonna leave about 20 minutes in between sprays just so that I can get like an even coating. So yeah, let's do it. So after 3 passes, look how glossy that is now. And it's smooth to the touch. So I went ahead and passed it again for the 4th time. I know it might be a little overkill, but you know, just wanted to make sure that the whole thing gets a glossy finish. But yeah, it's looking good so far. I'm loving the shine to it. So we're gonna wait a couple more minutes and we'll see how this looks. There's a little bit of overspray right there, but overall, I mean, it looks pretty good. Here is the piece that we worked on today, and that's the actual paint color. And as you can see, this is pretty much the same color as the car, except it's not as smooth looking. This one, you can kind of see there's like some sort of texture to it, whereas the actual paint itself doesn't have anything. It's like completely smooth. But like I said, this is only temporary, and I'll fix this in the future. I just want to see what it looks like. I'm probably going to add another coating of clear coat to this one day, but yeah, look how glossy that looks compared to this. I mean, it's close enough. But yeah, here you go. And that is the finished product, guys. How's it look? Does it look any different? I know that the fitment's a little off. That's because I didn't permanently stick it on, but if we take a closer look, especially over here, look at that big gap. That's because it's not stuck on to the car yet. And of course, the fitment's a little off because this is raised a little bit. I dropped it already while I was taking it out of the car, unfortunately. But yeah, it is a little off. As you can see right here, it's off by that much. But overall, I mean, it looks pretty nice. Like, in my opinion, I know, again, the fitment's off. But yeah, from far away and for like taking pictures and video, like, it definitely looks good. It's only if you go closer, that's when you can see, you know, it's off. Especially on this side, like, you can really see that gap right there. That's a big gap. But I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Let me know down below in the comments. Honestly, I kind of like it. The paint job that I did was a pretty good job for a first time painter. On picture and video, it looks really good because if I move backwards right here, you can't even see it. It looks perfectly fine. I can easily just pull this off like this. It's just stuck on by like double-sided tape, so you know, just easily take it off. But yeah, if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button, comment down below what you guys think of this video, or if you have any future suggestions on what kind of videos that I should make on the channel, be sure to hit that like button and yeah, subscribe to the channel.